lovelies. Welcome back to Bushra Aesthetics, the place where we glow, grow, and glam.
Wow!
Now loading.
Today's video is not just your regular glow-up guide. This is the real deal. And yes, it's inspired by Wonyoungism, but not in a try to copy everything she does way. It's about you, building your dream version with structure, intention, and aesthetic discipline. So open your notes app, maybe grab a pink smoothie, and let's get into the real-world roadmap to leveling up like a soft, radiant doll who has her whole life together. Part 1. The foundation. Glow up from the inside. Let's start by being honest. If you've been waking up late, skipping skincare, eating junk, scrolling for hours, and then wondering why you don't feel or look your best, this is your wake-up call. The first part of the glow-up isn't cute. It's messy. It's uncomfortable, but it's necessary. Start sleeping 7 to 9 hours a night. Your skin, mood, and energy depend on it. Wake up early. Even just 1 hour earlier can change everything. It gives you silence, focus, and time to romanticize your life. Drink water first thing. Your skin is not dry, it's dehydrated. Stop touching your face. Breakouts? Often caused by your own hands. And here's the most unpopular truth. Your skin isn't always acting up because of a bad product. Sometimes it's stress, exhaustion, or poor lifestyle. Fix your habits before you blame your serum. Start journaling. Write down 3 things daily. 1. What you're grateful for. 2. One goal for the day. 3. An affirmation, e.g., I am soft, elegant, and becoming my best self. Part 2. Skincare that actually works. Forget the 10-step K-beauty routines. Let's keep it simple and effective. Real skincare equals consistency over quantity. Use micellar water instead of cleansing oil if you have combination skin. Cleansing oils can clog pores for some people. Gentle foaming cleanser after micellar water, always rinse. Moisturizer plus SPF in the morning. Don't skip sunscreen even indoors. At night, cleanse. Use a serum suited for your skin, niacinamide for brightening, salicylic acid for acne, and moisturize. Tips. Don't forget your neck. Cleanse, moisturize, and apply SPF there too. Avoid overloading with products. Simpler routines give better results. Don't wait too long to wash your face after coming home. Makeup and SPF mixed with sweat is a disaster waiting to happen. Sleep matters more than any skincare product. Create a cute skincare station. It helps build a routine. Use a small tray with your essentials, cotton pads, cleanser, toner, moisturizer, SPF, lip balm. Part 3. The discipline, daily routine to glow up. Looking like a soft girl isn't hard. Staying consistent with habits is the real challenge. Morning routine. Wake up at 6 to 7 a.m. Natural light helps regulate your hormones. Stretch or do yoga for 10 minutes, gets your blood flowing. Drink warm lemon water or green tea. Journal 1 page. 5-minute skincare. Study or do 1 productive task. Read, plan your day. Evening routine. Light candles or play soft music while you do skincare. No phone 30 minutes before bed. Stretch or do slow breathing. Sleep with clean sheets and a clean face. Part 4. Core workouts and flexibility. You don't need to go to the gym to tone up. Just use your floor space, a mat, and your body weight. Core workouts. These target your torso muscles, improve posture, define your waist, and help with balance. Do this 4x per week. 30 seconds planks. Work up to 1 minute, 20 bicycle crunches. 15 Russian twists. 15 leg raises. Keep your tummy tucked in and focus on control. Increase reps as you get stronger. Flexibility. Stretching before and after workouts makes a huge difference. Do dynamic stretches before, arm circles, light squats, leg swings. After workout, static stretches, hold positions. Start doing yoga or Pilates 2 to 3x a week. They're low impact but give incredible results.
But I can't help it that I'm popular.
You can follow YouTube tutorials or join a studio for professional guidance. Part 5. Fashion glow up. You don't need a huge closet or luxury brands to look elegant. Start with these. Soft colors, blush pink, white, ivory, beige. Puff sleeve blouses, mini cardigans, pleated skirts. Ballet flats, Mary Janes, or platform sneakers. Simple gold or pearl jewelry, hair bows, clips, and soft headbands. Your goal is to look like a walking Pinterest board. Tips. Plan your outfits the night before. Iron your clothes, wrinkles ruin an aesthetic. Accessorize, but keep it dainty. Part 6. Diet and body care. This isn't about eating less, it's about eating smart. Eat more of fresh fruits, berries, apples, watermelon, leafy greens, spinach, lettuce, kale, healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, protein, tofu, chicken, lentils, eggs, water, at least 2 liters per day. Eat less of packaged snacks, sugary drinks, excess sodium, snacks that glow, yogurt with berries, almonds or pistachios, cucumber sticks with hummus. Body care. Exfoliate 2x per week with a body scrub. Use a gentle body wash daily. Moisturize your body every night. Glowing skin starts from neck to toes. Apply body mist or fragrance to pulse points. Part 7. Mindset reset. Let's be real, glowing up is hard when your mind is cluttered. Start protecting your peace. Unfollow people who drain your energy. Mute negativity online. Avoid gossip. It pollutes your energy. Spend time alone without feeling lonely. Mindset shifts. Speak softly, act kindly, but never tolerate disrespect. You don't need to be loud to be powerful. You don't owe anyone constant access to you. Romanticize your life. Study in cafes. Write in aesthetic notebooks. Go on solo walks with soft music. Watch vlogs that inspire you. Part 8. What to start, what to stop. Start. Cleaning your space daily. Dressing up even when staying home. Taking breaks without guilt. Taking long warm showers. Saying nice things to yourself. Drinking water before coffee. Moving your body every day. Stop comparing your journey to others. Letting one bad day ruin your progress. Sleeping with makeup on. Skipping meals. Talking down to yourself. Chasing people who drain you. Visualize this. You wake up at 6:30 a.m. to birds chirping. You stretch in soft sunlight. You light a candle and do a 5-minute yoga flow. Then you sip warm lemon water. Your desk is tidy. You open your pink journal and write your goals. You study with pretty highlighters, lip gloss on, hair tied with a silk ribbon. At night, you do skincare, mist your room, and sleep with a soft smile. Now compare that to waking up at noon. Phone in bed for 2 hours. Crumbs on your desk. No skincare, no water. Choose your life daily. Transformation comes from tiny daily decisions. This isn't about being Wonyoung. It's about being your dream self, and choosing her over and over. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. So start slow. Glow up one habit at a time. Soon you'll look in the mirror and say, that's her. That's the girl I always wanted to be. And she was inside you all along. Now go. Light your candle, clean your room, do your skincare. Romanticize your routine like it's the beginning of your favorite aesthetic movie. Because it is.